Hey all, so this is Courtney Powers and this is the makeup look that I'm going to be doing today. Natural, a lot of nudes and browns and golds and stuff like that, keeping it very basic. I'm excited about it. I've got a surprise with it, something that I finally got that looks really good with this makeup look. So hopefully you guys will appreciate it and will like what I got too and enjoy the makeup tutorial. Hey guys, I am going to be doing a quick, like my go-to natural when I don't have a lot of time kind of look. So let's get started in that. This hopefully super quick makeup tutorial on just how to do a basic kind of simple natural look that, is still gonna be a little bit dressed up. Okay, so to start, I'm going to start with the e.l.f. the new Poreless Putty Primer. My next step will be my foundation, which I'm applying the best drugstore foundation I have found, L'Oreal Infallible Foundation with just a simple e.l.f. foundation brush that I think cost me $3. So applying it all over and a little bit down the neck just to blend the makeup line. Next up is my concealer. I'm using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. This is the 150 shade, the Neutralizer. I'm going to apply on my forehead, down my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then make a triangle shape under my eyes. Next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Beauty Blender and blend it in. And still using the Beauty Blender, I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder and use kind of the beveled edge of the Beauty Blender to apply that over the concealer. I'm gonna let that sit while I do my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are really the only thing that I use that's super name brand, like designer makeup, and I use MAC Brow Kit. The darker shade on the bottom, I start at the point of my arch and go down and then fill in from the bottom and then go across the top with the lighter shade. So after finishing my brows, I'm going to grab my Kabuki brush, which I also got from e.l.f., and brush away the loose powder. I recently purchased for $5 a new contour and highlight kit. I showed it in the last video, but I didn't want to use it for that one. I'm using it for this one, first time. It hasn't even been opened yet. We'll see how this contour and highlighting kit works. It is a Profusion Cosmetics. It was $4.98 or something like that. I'm going to use, since it's spring, I'm not tan yet, I'm going to use this light sculpt for my contour. And oh, I don't have to use this brush anymore because I got a new contour brush from e.l.f. It's a pretty color. It went on really good. So using the contour brush to go around the top of the forehead, the cheekbones, and the neck and down a little bit. And then using the Beauty Blender, the pointed tip, to contour my nose. Now, normally I don't do these other steps, but since I am going for a little bit more of a natural kind of feel, I'm actually going to use more contour powder, which might not be natural. I'm going to go across the bridge of my nose a little bit, and then a little bit under the chin, and a little bit in the cleft, like the cupid's bow of the lip. Okay, like that. The next step is to use my new highlight fan brush and pick a highlight. There's 3 different kinds on here. One's kind of pinkish, one's like a dark bronzer gold, and one's a light gold. I'm going to do the light gold one for today, see how that looks. Like I said, I haven't used this yet, so. It's pretty. It's a pretty golden, it's really shiny. So going on my nose. So it's a really pretty color. It's got a really pretty highlight. The only downside is it's really powdery. So it's already like all over the palette, and it was blowing everywhere when I was putting it on. But I mean, it's a really pretty color, so, and it's got a good shine to it for $5. Next step is the blush. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me Peachy colored blush and a big blush brush. And then putting it on the apples, just the apples of the cheeks. Next for the eyes, since I'm keeping it pretty basic, pretty natural, I'm going to use my biggest brush, my highlight brush, and go into that highlight powder that I used on my face and highlight under the brow bone and on the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to put just a little bit of the highlight also on the center of the eyelid. Next, I'm going to use my biggest shadow brush, and I'm going to go into, see, so powdery, go into that light sculpt contour again and put that across the crease of my eye. Next, I have a brown pencil liner. I just got one of the cheap ones. I don't even know what brand it is, and it's all worn off, but it was a cheap one. And I'm going to line my upper eyelid a little bit and my, just the, not the whole bottom waterline, just the inner corner. And I'm going to line the outer corner on the outside. I'm going to go into one of my smaller and stiffer crease brushes and smudge that eyeliner out. So just to make this look a little more luminous, I actually found this on sale and I have not used it yet. I paid $1. Clearance. It is a Neutrogena Lunar Eclipse like glow. I'm going to put just a little bit on my highlight points. It's kind of dark, so I don't know if I'll use it everywhere. Ooh, it's pretty. Very, very luminous. So it's really pretty. I'm not quite tan enough for it yet, but I was just curious what it was going to look like. In the summer, as an all-over glow, this would be amazing. Next, I'm going to do my mascara. So I use the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal on my top and bottom lashes. And on my top lashes, also using the Maybelline Falsies. For my lips, I'm going to line them with that brown nude Revlon lip liner that I just got. I'm going to kind of contour my lips with it. So making an X around the Cupid's bow and a couple lines down them. Well, I guess it's a V, not an X. I have that came with my Disney makeup set that I got. This one was actually by e.l.f. I have a Belle set, and this is just a Belle chapstick. It's kind of got a golden yellow tint to it, but it's super light and not noticeable very well at all. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. And then since I covered some of that highlight with the lip liner, I'm going to do that on my Cupid's bow again. I'm also going to put some in the center of my bottom lip. I'm going to take my hair down, but this is the natural makeup look. But I got something in the mail today that I'm very excited about, so I wanted to get a video of it with this makeup. It's kind of one of the reasons I did this makeup. So here would be my completed look. I finally got my new glasses in the mail, and I'm super, super excited about them. They're super cute, and they've got little butterflies on the side. I love them so much. But this would be my casual, everyday makeup look. And I can see, I know my last video wasn't completely in focus. I can see now. I'm very excited. Hopefully you guys like the more natural, lots of browns, lots of golds makeup look that I did, and it was easy enough to follow along. Again, if you have any questions, just comment, or I guess you'd have to comment because you can't like ask me in person, but just comment and let me know what they are. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching.